Tọ́lá ní ọ̀rẹ́ nìyí. Sórí your display lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ọlọ́run. Mo sọ kíní kan, mo ní it's so hard for somebody like me to drag you. Mo ní because I've seen what you've done when it comes to justice for Mohbad, especially for Ọmọwùmí. Mi ò lè kó ìyẹn sọnù. Bọ̀ sórí ilé ayé yìí mo sọnù fídíò yẹn pé Ọlọ́run má yẹ kéèyàn jẹ̀bi. Pé tó bá tread lightly. And I want to thank God that you've come back to your senses. Surely some things ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Kó ṣe kíni kó wave ẹ̀. Because ó yẹ kó mọ̀ pé ibì kan tá bá ju abẹ̀bẹ̀ sókè ìgbà ibì kan ló máa mú lélẹ̀. What has been done has been done. What you've said it. Kò sí nǹkan kan tá a lè ṣe sí. Wọ́n ní ọ̀bẹ ti gé ọmọ lọ́wọ́. Ọmọ ti sọ̀bẹ nù. Ṣé ọ̀bẹ ò ti ṣe nǹkan tó máa ṣe? Bọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣe rí nìyẹn. I saw your video whereby you are apologizing to Queen Mother. Kan lọ wo tó bá ní any part tó jẹ́ pé fídíò tó ṣe ó affect ẹ̀ negatively. Ìwọ náà mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ṣe ṣó mọ̀. Sórí ó máa make sense tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ní reason kankan pàtó àbó ní nǹkan kan pàtó tí Iyabo ṣe fún ẹ. It will have still make a little bit more sense. But ìgbà tó ti ní issue pẹ̀lú Wùmí, you pack all your aggression and throw it on Queen Mother, which is unfair. Even Ọlọ́run ọba gan mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni. Gbogbo àìṣòdodo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni. You took it even too far, one step too far. Mo ń sọ fún ẹni o because sórí nǹkan tó ṣe yìí. Ọjọ́ tó bá wá jẹ́ pé èèyàn ló ṣe sí ẹ, ò ní ẹnu àti sọ̀rọ̀. Tọ́lání. You took it even a step too far by going after the return of Arinzo. Show Mosha. And here you can tell us that Queen Mother kó dáríjì ẹ wípé tó bá ní nǹkan tèmi fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni pé before you sleep and you wake up and you come out to drag Queen Mother like that. Kí ló rí? Because we have to go to the roots and to the genesis of what happened. Are you just transferring aggression on her? Àbó ní nǹkan pàtó tó ṣe fún ẹ. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé inú apology yẹn ò sọ pé nǹkan báyìí lẹ ṣe fún mi. Ibi tó ti jẹ̀bi nìyẹn. Ó jẹ̀bi pé o drag Queen Mother. Ó jẹ̀bi pé o drag Queen Mother. Ó fi ìwà ẹ̀ hàn wá ni. But ìgbà tó wá padà wá tó wá bẹ̀bẹ̀ ibi tó ti jẹ̀bi nìyẹn. What do I mean by that? Ní pé before you even come for Queen Mother, ó yẹ kó wọ́n kọ́ state reasons ẹ̀. Before you even come for Queen Mother. Gbogbo alámọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn wèrè tó ń sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ yẹn. Ìwọ ò dẹ̀ tí ìwọ fíìmù ṣó ti rí sìn. Ibi tó tún ti jẹ̀bi. Má tara èèyàn ṣẹ̀sọ́ lọ́wọ́ ọba. Kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ rojọ́ yìí. Gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ pé torí pé inú bí ẹ sí Wùmí ló fi fíìmù pé àbó ní nǹkan kan tó ti gbọ́n pa Queen Mother. Tó fi fíìmù pé tó bá tiẹ̀ ń bá Queen Mother jà. Kí ló dé tó take matter off social media? Èèyàn tó ti bá ṣọ̀rẹ́ ni. Tó bá tiẹ̀ ń bá jà. Let it be between you and God. Why do you have to bring it out? Why now? Why do you now have to go the same route? Táwọn èèyàn tó fẹ́ mú Queen Mother wálẹ̀ tó ń go. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n náà fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ owó ni àbọ́mọ ẹ ló ṣe fíìmù. Kì í ṣe pé kí nǹkan da kó rí rekitin. America lẹ́nìí, people are still saying this and that kò sí. Sórí kò sí nǹkan tó da tí ò kù síbí kan kò possible. Kò sí nǹkan tó da tí ò kù síbí kan. There's nobody in this world that is perfect. You are not perfect now. But mo fẹ́ kó gbé bí eléyìí pé irú nǹkan tó ṣe sí Queen Mother tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀kan ló ṣe sí ẹ, how would you have reacted? Torí mo sọ pé kì í ṣe pé torí pé o sọ̀rọ̀ sí Queen Mother ló jẹ́ṣẹ̀ o. Torí pé o bẹ̀ because you know exactly what you were doing. Àwọn kan sọ pé bí a torí pé o fẹ́ kó fans jọ ni o fẹ́ kérò jọ o need engagement. Mo ní no. That's not engagement. Mo mọ a lot of people lórí social media tó jẹ́ pé they used to ṣe kíni. They used to reverse psychology. They are not friends with Iyabo. They are not foe with Iyabo. Notice, àwọn kan wà mí ò ní dárúkọ wọn mi ní fún wọn ní free publicity yẹn. They are not friends, they are not foe. but they are in between. Be shekusheye, kind of one piece, you can do that. But this is straight out of nowhere attack for somebody you are used to close to. It's so easy for people to detect that only issue because you let your emotion rise over whatever it is that you and Queen Mother has gone through. Ẹ̀bẹ̀ tó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sìn bí ẹ kọ́kọ́ sọ fún ẹ ibi tó ti wrong ni pé ṣé o rò pé Queen Mother lè fojú rere wò ẹ́ mọ́ ni? From the context of your word, tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ ó affect yín àbí ó affect iṣẹ́ yín ní anywhere, ẹ má bínú, ẹ dáríjì mí. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ o mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ, for you to even come out and say that, o mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ó ti ṣẹ́rí ọ̀rọ̀ kì í ṣe pé ọkọ̀ déédéé jáde odò ẹ̀sìn sọ nonsense, ó ti rò nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ. Bí mo ṣe ń ṣe fídíò mo ti mọ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ wá sọ kí tó wá sọ. Ó ti mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó fẹ́ sọ yẹn ó máa ní effect lórí fíìmù Queen Mother, but you still went ahead to do it. Torí ẹ̀ mo sọ pé kì í ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe, but apologizing wípé o ṣe, ọ̀bẹ ti gọ́mọ lọ́wọ́, ọmọ ti sọ̀bẹ nù, ṣọ́ọ̀bẹ ò ti ṣe nǹkan tó máa ṣe. Ṣé Return of Arinzo ló ṣe ẹ ni? Fíìmù tó ò tiẹ̀ tí fojú ẹ̀ kan, and you carry negative comments about somebody that you know. You saw the way this woman work hard and a lot of things, don't you see? You carry that. Tolani, only mo sọ pé sit this, let this table turn around. Imagine that was done to you. Iṣẹ́ tó fi ń jẹun. Èèyàn kan wá fẹ́ sọ ọ́ dìṣẹ́. Ẹni yẹn wá jókòó wá sọ pé I want to apologize. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ, it affected your work in one way or the other. Kan dáríjì ẹ̀. The question still remains. What has Queen Mother ever done to you? Tó bá lè gbàbọ̀dè fún Queen Mother, ó lè gbàbọ̀dè fún anybody náà. Tọ́lá ni. Tírú kíní ìbáṣẹ ṣó mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń pè ní what goes around comes around nìyẹn. Nǹkan tó ń pè ní karma nìyẹn. Tó bá jí kàn ẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ kan, I hope you will be able to sit and to ṣó mọ̀ pé betrayal àwọn èèyàn tí ò kì í ṣèyàn ẹ̀ òun ni ò kì í mú rẹ̀, but èèyàn tó bá ti jẹ́yàn ẹ̀ tó bá betray ẹ̀ ìyẹn gangan ló máa ń dùn yàn jù. You have been in the circle of Queen Mother, Feni, either directly or indirectly. Then betrayal from your own camp. Kò yẹ kó jẹ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé ìgbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ ṣe show fún ẹ, èmi kọ́kọ́ sọ fún ẹ pé whatever it is, may you find peace in whatever it is that is bothering you. Show tí mo ṣe fún ẹ nìyẹn. Mo ní because mi ò even gan pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí mo ti rí tó o ti ṣe lórí social media, kò gba ẹnu mi láti sọ pé àtọ́lá ní kí n tẹ̀ sí ẹ lójú kí n ṣe show fún ẹ yàmàyàmà, kì í ṣe pé kò sí o, ó wà o, but ó le fún mi láti ṣe. Then you did that to somebody else. O tún mú iṣẹ́, o tún drag yẹ. Èèyàn kan dẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ lórí live yẹn pé ṣebí àwọn èèyàn náà máa ń criticize other film pé wọ́n dẹ̀ máa attack wọn. Ìwọ sọ pé kó máa attack anybody ló ní right. Everybody has the right. The same principle náà ni. Tó bá ní right àti attack film Queen Mother, àwọn fans Queen Mother náà ní right àti attack yẹn náà. You cannot put anything on social media and expect it to be like that. People will have an opinion. That is it. And you took it personal. Ìwọ tó ò tí wo fíìmù yẹn torí pé ó fẹ́ bàjá. Ó ní ẹ, wọ́n attack it. Kí ló ń ṣe àwọn Queen Mother? Kí ló ń ṣe kíní kan? I'm going to drag you and I'm going to drag your favorite. Tọ́lá, níbi tó o ti ṣe mistake ni. Ọlọ́run mo tẹ̀ rò pé ó fẹ́ wá fún wa ní show ni. Fún wa ní epic show. Ká gbé ìyá ẹ̀ débẹ̀. Queen Mother ò lè jà, ó ní àwọn ọmọ tó gbójú dáadọ́ ò lè jà lọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ o. Ó lábúrò tó gbójúlé o. Dada ò lè jà ní ọ̀rọ̀ Queen Mother. Give it to us now. Sórí nǹkan ẹyọ kan ló fi jẹ̀bi. Because you did not even tell us up to today nǹkan tí Queen Mother ṣe fún ẹ. So mo ko tó bá yẹ pé o tọ camera, I keep saying it, tó sọ pé Queen Mother, you did this and did this and did this and did this to me. Kò dáa, ẹlẹ́dàá mi máa dáa fún yín, kò dẹ̀ hand camera. You will be more respected than this rubbish tó wá ṣe. Do you know that? You will be more respected than this nonsense tó wá ṣe. Feni kú fọ̀la dìde. Inconsistency of, you don't even have a reason. You just drag her because of jealousy. Because that is it. Well, anybody can just deduce that you are jealous because Wunmi is no more doing with you again. That is why you want to project your anger on Queen Mother to fi bashe ẹ̀jẹ̀. Anybody show rí pé nǹkan tó ṣe ó ti fi rẹ̀ sínú box. You keep putting yourself in the box láti jẹ̀bi. Ó lè jẹ́ pé ìwọ gangan ni victim o, but tó o bá fẹ̀sọ̀ ṣe, tó bá go route tó go yẹn, ìwọ ló ṣe máa padà jẹ̀bi. Ìwọ ló ṣe máa padà jẹ̀bi. Tọ́lání. So what were you thinking? So, rò pé o máa wá apologize fún nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe sí Queen Mother. You never thought of that. Ìkànnì ẹ̀. Sórí inú dictionary mi, bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe máa ń mọ àwọn ìka ènìyàn nìyẹn. You know that this time, this woman need all the positive kini tó lè get. And this is the time you choose to come for her. You did not come for her a year ago, 6 months ago, before this movie was even released. You came for her during the movie and you used something negative to come for her. When you know that this is the time, kó tiẹ̀ máa bá jà gan, kó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ kì í ṣowó kékeré o, iṣẹ́ tó máa powó fún ni. This is the time you are supposed to use to ṣe kíni to help her out. Kó tiẹ̀ gbé sórí bíi gálà bíi pé kẹ́ máa jà báyìí, kẹ́ máa bára yín sọ̀rọ̀, kó sì gbé sórí pé Queen Mother kíní kan ṣe kíní kan. You are supposed to do that. But you can now come to social media and why yakayama, but this is not the time for you to do what. Since you choose to do what you did to Queen Mother, what is show irú èèyàn tó jẹ́ náà? Èèyàn tó yàn gbọ́dọ̀ sá fún ni. Your apology does not shake any, does not hold anything. The deed is already done. You took your time láti fẹ́ bà tèèyàn jẹ́, and you're apologizing. Gbogbo àwọn tó pè tó ń ṣe kíní sí nígbà yẹn, etí tó ti gbá lọ ṣó lè gbà bọ̀ mọ́. Àwọn enemy Queen Mother ṣó mọ̀ pé wọ́n gbé fídíò ẹ̀, wọ́n ní ṣe rí, ó tún ti ṣe nǹkan sí ẹ. Do you know that? But video apology ẹ̀ kò trend o, ṣó mọ̀ ṣá. Ṣé views ló ń wá ni? Àbí kí ni? Sorry, a lot came out concerning this issue. Mo kàn mọ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó yẹ pé a lot of people talked. I just don't want to go into all that. But màá yan díẹ̀ fún ẹ. Wọ́n ní ẹjọ́ lèèyàn máa kọ́kọ́ kọ́ kó tó kọjá. People said, number one, àwọn èèyàn sọ pé ó dàbí Wunmi ṣe fi ẹ́ lẹ̀. Wípé imagine Wunmi did not leave this crazy woman. Nǹkan tí ò bá máa ṣe. Other people said the same thing. Ó fẹ́ máa control Wunmi torí pé ò rí opportunity àti control Wunmi. That is why you are angry. Iyabo is not in the picture. Ìwọ àti Wunmi lẹ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ jọ ṣe tí lè fi jó. Iyabo once in a while ló máa wá sínú picture. Iyabo gan-an kọ́ ló ní issue pẹ̀lú. But you know that if you hurt Iyabo, ó máa bá Wunmi, kò sí bó ṣe lè hurt Wunmi. That's why you took your aggression on Iyabo. These are what people said all over, and they have the right to say anything. Ọmọ sọ ẹ́ ló kúkú báyẹn náà. They feel like because you cannot hurt Wunmi, but you know that tọ́wọ́ bá bá Iyabo ọwọ́ ti bá Wunmi nìyẹn. That is why you are coming for them. Ẹ wọ́n sọ pé wo tó bá rọra ṣe ní ayé wàá jẹ̀bi sórí gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe. Understand when, leave the stage when the ovation is loud. If they don't help with you, go. Surely, nǹkan tó ń pè maturity ni. You have done your own. Gbogbo ayé mọ̀. Má wàá fi só kékeré bàdì jẹ́. Torí at the end of the day, Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ, that woman is controlling. If she doesn't get what she want, ó máa wá bà tẹni yẹn jẹ́. Gbogbo yẹn ti ń ṣe mọ́ ẹ lára ń sìn. Ó fẹ́ máa control Wùmí ni, torí pé kò rí Wùmí control, torí pé Wùmí ò sí lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ mọ́ ni. Wùmí ti wà lọ́dọ̀ lágbájá, kíní kan ṣe kíní kan. Even the Wùmí herself will feel like, oh God, thank you, I dodged a bullet. It's life. Wùmí herself will feel like, Ọlọ́run ṣe ohun, I dodged a bullet o. Àṣẹ ìbéèyàn báyìí ṣe rí rè. You disappointed yourself. You disappointed the people you fought for. You disappointed everybody. Ọlọ́run Tọ́lání. You disappointed everybody. Ó jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ ayé, ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀tá kó ṣẹ́ mọ́ ẹ lára. The things you're supposed to do, they're very simple. Live gracefully. Tó bá ti understand, tó bá feel like, mo máa gba bí yọ sí yín, o lè win ní kéèsì. Wọ́n ní mo sọ fún ẹ, kí Iyabo ṣe ẹ̀ gan. You cannot win because you are still under something. Bí pé, there is a reason. Kò séyàn tó lè bá ẹ rojọ́ yìí tó lè dáadáa. They will always feel like you are just jealous because you don't have access to Wunmi again. Kò sí, mo ní tá bá ju abẹ̀bẹ̀ sókè ìgbà ibi pẹlẹbẹ ló máa mú lélẹ̀. They will feel like because you are only hungry and doing what you're throwing tantrums because you don't have access to Omo Wunmi again. That is the only thing that everybody will say. Tó bá kó èèyàn 100 ìjọ, 99% nǹkan tó máa sọ nìyẹn. Nínú ọkàn kò dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. But ó ti wà nínú dicey situation. O gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ analyze the situation tó wà kó tó sọ pé o fẹ́ bọ́ síta láti wá sọ̀rọ̀. In fact, mo tẹ̀ máa sọ kíní kan fún yín ni pé o gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ béèyàn kan sọ́nà pé nǹkan báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Tí bá ṣe báyìí, tí bá lọ sọ nǹkan báyìí. Ṣáwọn ayé ò ní rò pé torí nǹkan báyìí ni mo ṣe nǹkan báyìí. At the end of the day, ṣé o fún wọn lọ́rọ̀ sọ ni? Ó jẹ́ káyé rí ìdí ẹ̀ tán náà. Ó fún wọn lọ́rọ̀ sọ náà. Mo sọ pé kì í farabalẹ̀. Ìwúrí ìbẹ́ṣe máa ń gbọ́n wá sórí social media. Kì í fi ara balẹ̀. You literally don't even have to do anything. Oh, need that to share anything. You work on jókòó kó máa wò. You are no more there, do your other content, do your content. Surely, it's better to be safe than sorry. I'm okay, that chapter is closed. Okay, moving on. People can even trust you with any other thing. They mo bí tẹ́tí máa pàdé. Ó lè dọ̀là ń sìn kó jẹ́ pé they will come back. But wọ́n sìn tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ṣe display anger and aggression lórí èèyàn tí ó ṣe. Ó ti show pé you are an unstable element. If you know you are going to apologize eventually, why did you even do it? So gbogbo ìgbà tó ń ṣe yẹn, your sense is not there. Bó ṣe dàgbà tó yẹn Tọ́lání. Gbogbo ìgbà tó ń ṣe nonsense yẹn, sense ẹ̀ ò sí ńbẹ̀. Tó ń drag pé mother. What a shame. Ọlọ́run kò yẹ kó jẹ́wọ́. Àìsàn tó bá sọ pé omi ló máa ṣe jáde náà mà ní irọ́ ni. Kò yẹ kó jẹ́wọ́ because mi ti ẹ̀rù ó sí ẹ. Any other person but you. Mo ní ara nǹkan kan tí mo ṣe ń ṣẹ́nu kù tí mi fẹ́ ganu sí kéèsì yẹn nìyẹn. I took my time before I even said anything. Well, you have already apologized, but nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. And tí nǹkan orúkọ yẹn bá ṣẹlẹ̀, number one, trust from the person is gone. Trust from other people is gone. Bírò èmi báyìí, it's so hard for me. Kò sí nǹkan tó lè sọ ń sìn. Màmá ṣàìdá ẹ̀ ní pé ẹ̀bùn. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe dá o gbọ́dọ̀ bà integrity ẹ jẹ́. Màmá ṣàìdá ẹ̀ ní báyìí. Kì í ṣe pé ó burú àbí nǹkan kan, bó yẹ kó ro kíní ìkó tó ṣe náà. nǹkan tí ò yé mi nìyẹn pé ṣé ọmọbìnrin yẹn ò ro kíní èkó tó ṣe ni. tó bá jáde lọ́la báyìí tó wá búyàn, we will still be expecting another apology even if the person is the one that did something bad to you, because we feel like bíbá ìlà wà tó wá bú queen mother láì sí nǹkan kan tí queen mother ṣe sí tó dẹ̀ tó wá padà wá apologize within some few days. So if you bring another case now, everybody will be like, oh, ẹ má dá lóhùn. We will not even know what is real or what is not. Ànímọ̀ nǹkan tó rí o, ànímọ̀ nǹkan tí ò rí o. Well, gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn bá ṣe ilé ayé náà ló ti máa gba kámá ẹ̀. But I just want you to be careful. You understand? I want you to be careful. It is well. Kí la máa sọ? Ẹ já mọ́ lọ.